It has been a roller coaster of a week for financial markets. Of course, Trump announcing the tariffs, then pausing those reciprocal tariffs against most countries yesterday.
And that move reversed the downward spiral in both the U.S. and international markets. But there's still uncertainty in the air, at least for now.
Yeah, Trevor Sohaki live in Dallas this morning with what we need to know. And Trevor, unfortunately, in this situation, we know that it's been a wild ride, whether you're an investor or just somebody watching the markets.
Yeah, Madison and Carmen, the stock market both gained and lost thousands of points within just the last week alone. So it makes sense if you're more than a little nervous about your 401k. Now, while the global markets did open higher this morning, yesterday's historic day on Wall Street did not erase all of the losses from the previous week in the U.S. stock market. And experts say be prepared because it's likely we are not done with all of these large swings just yet. Now, all this volatility has been caused by uncertainty tied to a stock market that was at an all-time high. President Trump pausing his punishing tariffs less than 24 hours after they started. He acknowledged investors' unease contributed to his decision. The White House says up to 70 countries are pushing for talks with the U.S., but China is retaliating with an 84% tariff, so the U.S. hit back with 125%. While experts caution people who are thinking about buying in since the stock market is not cheap by historic standards, they emphasize this is short-term and stocks have consistently been a place to grow wealth. Here's the advice for folks at home.
I think now's a good time to take a deep breath and say, okay, what do I want to do from here? And for those trying to build wealth, they're still going to be better off riding through the volatility that the stock market always brings. Sometimes we forget that it brings, and a lot of people forgot because we had a couple of really good years in the market. But it always happens.
Now, this craziness on Wall Street comes as the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas plans to host a conference today on the economic outlook for North America. It'll discuss the implications of these tariffs, declining immigration, and other topics. Live in Dallas, Trevor Sohaki, CBS News, Texas.
Trevor, thank you so much. We appreciate it.